there is obligation on both parties. Seller and buyer must obligate the contract. All right. So B cannot be the answer. C, similarly, forward contracts is there is also an obligation on both parties. C can never be the answer. D, when you own put option. So remember, whenever you read put option and call option, automatically assume that this means buy put buy call. Otherwise, the question will mention that it will be sell put or sell call. All right. So this means buy put option. When you buy put option, there is no obligation. Yes, there is no obligation on your part because you have a right to sell or right to buy or right to, in both cases, right to sell. This is right to buy. So we have options here: right to sell, and however, when you own power contracts, you have an obligation. So only answer is D. All right, guys. Tiffany, Dayon, right? Tara and Meena, you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now answer this question. The greater the variability of the currency, the will be the premium of the call option on its currency and will be the premium of the put option, other things equal. We just discussed that in our earlier slides. What is the answer here? Greater variability means risk or volatility. Which one is the answer? Rujier?
Oh, I think D.
Is it D or B?
B of bat.
Okay, greater. Good. So B is the, we just talk about that. In both cases, the call premium and put premium, higher the volatility or variability or standard deviation, higher the put premium and call premium. Well done. Now, if you expect the British pound to appreciate, you could speculate by pound call options or pound put options. So remember, you expect that the British pound will appreciate. Now you tell me. Kim says A. Okay, we have A. Ruji, PD, Oliver, Tiffany, Tara, Meena. Let's do this together. If you expect that the British pound will appreciate, so you buy call option. When you buy call option, all right, so what will happen? For example, British pound right now, the exercise price is 1.50. All right. If it appreciate 1.57, you buy from this contract, you exercise at 1.50 and sell to the market 1.7. So there is no debate on buying call option, all right, or purchasing call option. So here is going to be purchasing. So what is the put option here? So here there is buyer of the put and there is seller of the put. So what is the buyer of the put option? I will sell you at this price. If the exercise price is 1.50, so I would sell at 1.50, but we expect that the price will go up. So you will be seller of put option. All right. Seller of put option will be purchaser of pound. So here you are also purchaser of pound. And here you are purchaser of pound as well. So your strategy is to buy pound. All right. But the contract you will go into purchasing call option and selling put option. If you purchase the call option, you will be paying the call premium. If you sell the call option, you will be receiving the call premium. So that is the strategy you must do. Oliver, you understand? Rujier,
Yeah, understood.
Yeah.
CD, Lancelot,
Good.
understand?
Sana word. But same, you know, it is unter den Dings. Yeah, yeah.
Question, I think. Dayon, any question?
Da ist Plastik Scale, Plastik, ja. Oder kann man das nicht? Warte, ich hole irgendwas.
Mute your. Okay. Let's go here. So can you answer this question? ASUS Corporation wants to use an option to hedge 1.2 million in receivables from New Zealand. Receivables. So, okay, I think I already pressed double click. So let's just understand that. So ASUS Corporation wants to use an option to hedge 1.2 million in receivables. So ASUS Corporation receiving 1.2 million New Zealand, or all right, New Zealand currency. So the premium is 0.03 and the exercise price is 0.55. If the option is exercised, what is the total amount of dollar received? So remember, if the question is silent, make your analysis based on call option. All right. Otherwise, they will be giving you okay put option. All right. So they are receiving 1.2 million New Zealand dollar. So how much they will? So if they enter into the you can say into this contract. So, and if the option is exercised, how much they will receive? So remember, option is exercised based on exercise price. So they will receive 112.5 million multiplied by 0.55. How much? Since they paid it, so they will pay the premium as well. You need to less 12.5 multiplied by 0.03 as well. So that answer is going to leave you 6.5 million. All right. So let's do that. I think, do we have a calculator here? 12.5 million multiplied by 0.55. We have 6.85875 and 12.5 multiplied by 0.03. We have 0.375. So your less it's answer going to be 6.5 million. All right. Oliver, you understand? Tiffany, Lancelot, Kim, Taramina, Rujie, understand? PD?
Yes, understood.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now I think this would be our last practical example. So let's just read it. You purchase a call option. So purchase a call option means you will pay the premium. Automatically, you know, it should run into your head. So you purchase the call premium on pound 0.03 with exercise price 1.64. The option will not be exercised until the expiration date, which means this is European style. If at all, okay, if the spot rate on the expiration date is 1.65, what is your net profit? What is the profit formula? Buy, sell, buy. What is the selling price? Now, the spot price at the expiration is 1.65. And remember, they said that it will not be exercised until the expiration date. So it means you exercise it after the expiration date. So when you exercise it, would you get any profit? So let's see that. Okay, we have the options here. Let's see that. So Kim and Tiffany said B. Let's see. So when you exercise it, this is a call option, right to buy, you will buy. Okay, will you exercise it or not? So first of all, spot price is 1.65, exercise price is 1.64. You will exercise it, you will buy from call option 1.64. You will pay the premium 0.03. That is your cost, and your sale price you will sell into the market 1.65. So what is the profit or loss? So there is a loss here because you will buy from the contract 1.64 and you sell in the market 1.65, but you already paid premium. Your loss is 0.02. All right, guys. Oliver, you understand? Taramina?
Yes, understood.
Yes.
Good. So that's all. So we have a summary here. So we already talked about that, a forward and a future and call option and put option here. So remember, we have our assignment 4. So that would be, I would be uploading it on both platform BB and WeChat. And remember, the deadline is before next class. All right. And please send me a Word file, use ePen, or it must be handwritten. All right. And please don't forget to rename your assignment and which assignment number it is. Okay. So please watch the videos of our recorded lecture. And if you still have any question, please post in our WeChat group. I would be happy to answer. All right. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you. Get well soon. Take care.